On January 23, 1996, New Delhi woke to a chilling crime. Priyadarshini Mattoo, a 25-year-old law student, was found dead in her apartment. She had been brutally raped and murdered. Evidence showed a struggle with marks of strangulation and beating. A motorcycle helmet, the murder weapon, lay nearby. The prime suspect was Santosh Kumar Singh. He had been stalking Priyadarshini for months. Priyadarshini filed multiple complaints with the police. Her pleas fell on deaf ears. Santosh's father, a high-ranking officer, influenced the police. The police failed to act, leaving her vulnerable. A bodyguard was assigned but was absent on that day. A neighbor saw Santosh entering her apartment with a helmet. This detail became crucial in the legal battle ahead. The Priyadarshini Mattoo case sent shockwaves through India. The brutality of the crime, coupled with the victim's persistent attempts to seek help, sparked outrage. This was a young woman studying law, failed by the very system designed to protect her. The investigation, handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation, or CBI, was fraught with challenges. Despite seemingly damning evidence, DNA samples linking Santosh to the crime scene, witness testimonies, and the accused's history of stalking, the investigation dragged on. Rumors of witness tampering and evidence being compromised began to circulate, fueled by the alleged influence of Santosh's father. In 1999, 3 long years after Priyadarshini's murder, the trial court delivered a shocking verdict: acquittal. The judge, while acknowledging the horrific nature of the crime, cited lack of sufficient evidence to convict Santosh. In a controversial statement, the judge admitted to being aware of the accused's powerful connections, raising serious questions about the impartiality of the judgment. The acquittal of Santosh Singh was met with a wave of public anger and disbelief. Protests erupted across the country, with people demanding justice for Priyadarshini. Student groups, women's rights activists, and concerned citizens united in their condemnation of the verdict, accusing the justice system of failing to protect women and succumbing to political pressure. The CBI, facing severe criticism for its handling of the case, filed an appeal against the trial court's verdict. The Delhi High Court agreed to hear the case, marking the beginning of a long and arduous legal battle. The appeals process, while offering a glimmer of hope, was agonizingly slow, further testing the faith of Priyadarshini's family and a nation yearning for justice. After 7 years of legal wrangling, in 2006, the Delhi High Court delivered its verdict. Overturning the trial court's acquittal, the High Court convicted Santosh Kumar Singh of rape and murder. The judges, in a scathing indictment of the initial investigation and trial, called it a rarest of rare case, deserving of the death penalty. The Delhi High Court's verdict was hailed as a victory for women across India. The case highlighted the issue of violence against women, bringing it to national consciousness. In 2010, the Supreme Court commuted Santosh's sentence to life imprisonment. The case fueled demands for stronger laws and better enforcement. Significant legal reforms followed Priyadarshini's death. Stalking was codified into law. Amendments strengthened punishments for crimes against women. The case highlighted the need for police reforms. It exposed flaws within the Indian justice system. It reminded of societal biases and the fight for equality and justice. The case became a catalyst for change, striving for a safer future for women.